Hey Rusty, my name is Devin. I spoke to Carlos earlier. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix right away so you can start bringing in more customers. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's very simple. I found out a little while ago that there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they don't have enough time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back asking me just to do this stuff for them. If you want to do this stuff yourself, you're more than welcome to, and if you want any help, I'm glad to help you out. I'm just here to educate people. What I'm going to tell you about is content, backlinks, and citations. And by the way, your website is absolutely beautiful. It looks like it was completely professionally designed. It's really smart to have a chat bot right here. It's very, very sleek, very easy logo. It's a beautiful site, all the animations and stuff. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. They care about this content that they can read. So they want to have at least 2,000 words of content on your homepage to consider your authority. And you also want keywords in there. Keywords are just what people search into Google to find your business. So like you have 578 words, you want to get that up to about 2,000. Now your main competitor is Misson AC, and these guys have on their page 989. So it's one of the biggest reasons they're outranking you is they have about double your content. But if you get to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Also, you want to make sure you're targeting the right keywords, and you want to put these in your content. So some you want to target would be like, maybe not that one. Let me go check over here. Stuff like air conditioning, or right here, Houston air conditioner. 200 people search for that every single month. You're on the 3rd page. You want to make sure you have that in your content. If I go and look and I type in Houston air conditioner, so you don't have that anywhere on your page. So you want to make sure that you put stuff like that in your content while bringing it up to 2,000 words. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to make sure that you're getting a lot of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but you don't have to use it. There's a bunch of free tools out there that'll show you like keywords and backlinks and stuff. I just pay for this because it consolidates everything all together. It's really easy to use. But it says you currently have 186 websites linking to you, which is a lot of websites, but they're very low quality websites. So they may be considered spammy, I'm not sure, but you're getting almost no power to your page. First is if you go over to Houston, to Misson AC, these guys do have about 100 more than you, but they also have very, very powerful links. So what I would recommend doing is just copying their links and applying them to yourself. Because if it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you too. So what you need to do is you just go see what websites are linking to them, visit these websites, and you click like the create an account button, and you put a link to your homepage in the profile. You can also click the contact us button and just request the owner to build a link to your site. And some of these you may have to pay for, but they did it. And if you just copy and do exactly what they do, you're going to outrank them because you're going to have more links. So just by following those 2 tips with the content and with the backlinks, that's how you rank up organically. You can end up in the organic rankings. You can end up right here by paying for ads. You just have to bid higher than your competitors. It can get expensive, but it can also work pretty well for you. The best place to show up is in the Google My Business or the local map pack section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you're probably thinking of like, Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. What I'd recommend is just put yourself in the same directories as 1 Hour Air Conditioning, but then add a lot more. So like if they were in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. I tried to keep it short and sweet for you. As a very quick recap, you want 2,000 words of content on your homepage with keywords in it. You also want to make sure that you have more backlinks than these guys, but I would just copy them so you start taking the power as well. And the last thing is I would put my name, address, and phone number in more directories than 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating. And if you follow those 3 tips, you're going to be number 1 across Google. So if you're wondering what to do now, I recommend you go and you take this information, you apply it immediately, and you rank yourself to the top of Google. That way you can start making yourself a lot more money and actually growing the business to where you want it to be. I'm not insulting saying you're not where I want it to be, but I know everyone's got dreams for their businesses. If you do want any help getting this stuff done, or you want to just continue running your business, you don't want to take care of this stuff, and you want someone else to do it for you, just give me a call. I'll see if I can help, and if I can't, I'll guide you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.